Yeah, I got this. This turkey leg been low key cooking since like 5 something in the morning, and I started off boiling it, and then I ended it off in the oven just so that skin. I didn't want the soggy skin like how we have in the beans. I wanted a little crunch on it. But yeah, other than that, that bad boy done. So yeah, y'all, this bad boy's done. I boiled half of it, like I said, and then baked the rest. So let me taste it. I did leave the juices in there, or the broth that it boiled in. Hold on, wait, baby. Because I do not like dry meat. So, yeah, pretty good stuff. When it's falling apart like that, it's good. Really good stuff. Get another piece. Let me get a piece of the skin. Hold on. Okay. Well, dang. Well, dang. Is it just all gonna just be falling off? I wanted to pick it up like a chicken bone with the girls. But I guess not. I guess it's not gonna be like that. Okay, another piece. What April singing about? It's juicy. Come here, you guys. Try this. Try this for me. Hold on, y'all. Let me blow it.
For a green things eat.
Hold on.
My turn yet?
Yes. Is it good? Samaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 1 out of 10. And let me know if it's good or not. And 1 out of 10.
I was 10.
A 10?
I been 10 too.
A 10, so it's good.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Thank you.